Are cheat days in your diet plan a good idea or counterproductive?
Okay, once again, let's talk about your fitness journey. Okay, so may question, no, na actually, Coach, okay ba mag-cheat day? Meron akong cheat day. So, actually, okay lang naman at first yan, no? Kasi very important dito is to change the habit talaga, no? So, hindi naman kasi like guys, in a snap of a finger, okay na agad yan. Okay? Gradually talaga yan, no? Magpo-progress yan, no? So, let's say for example, malakas ka sa sugar and saturated fats, okay, trans fats, okay, the first week, okay, medyo nababawasan na siya, no? Like nagiging 3 times a week na lang, no? Compared to every day. The next week naman, okay, magiging twice a week na lang siya, okay? So, it's a good habit na rin yun. It's a good change na rin yun. Okay? So, enjoy.
Leave your questions in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching.